Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to turn your photo into an infinity effect on TikTok. So if you want to create these kind of effects using TikTok and Capcut, then let me show you how to do this. So for this, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called Capcut. Capcut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. So go ahead and download it. Okay. So now once that's downloaded, you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. Here you want to go ahead and tap on search. And from here you want to go ahead and search for the following account, Test the Simple Dad. Now you want to go ahead and tap on users. And you want to go ahead and visit this profile page, Test the Simple Dad. Now keep watching till the end of this video as I'll show you where to find this template on my page. For now, I'll go ahead and use my favorites and use it from there. So this is what you're looking for. Go ahead and tap on Capcut Infinity Effect AI, which will be just above the username. This will show you the template which you're going to use. Go ahead and tap on Use Template in Capcut. This will open up Capcut and will show you the template again. Go ahead and tap on Use Template. Now you want to go ahead and take a photo of yourself. Then tap on Next, and then let AI process this video. So as you can see at the bottom, it's processing the video, so give it some time. And there you go guys, it has processed the photo and it's basically given it an infinity effect by adding it into a phone screen. So now once you're happy with it, go ahead and tap on Export here at the top right, and then tap on Save and Share to TikTok. This will export the video and send it to TikTok. Go ahead and tap on Next, and then add your captions, any tags, and then post this to your TikTok app. Now for those of you who want to see this effect or use this effect, you need to go ahead and visit this profile page here, Test the Simple Dad on TikTok. And here in the video section, you'll see the Infinity Effect template. I've given it a label, so you can go ahead and tap on it. And here, just above the username, you'll see this Capcut Infinity Effect AI. And there you go, guys. That is how to turn your photo into an infinity effect on TikTok. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.